In this video, we're going to learn about volume. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the volume of this object? So let's take a look at this object. We could see that it's cubes stacked, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them on top and 5 on the bottom. So there's 2 rows of cubes, and there's 5 cubes in each row. So what does volume mean? Volume is the amount of space something takes up. So you could think of it as how much liquid would fit into this cube. That's one way of looking at it. So how would we calculate the volume? We already saw that there are 2 rows with 5 cubes in each row. So the way to calculate volume is you multiply to find the volume. So 5 cubes times 2 rows is 10. So the answer is 10, and you need to know that volume is always measured in cubic units. So volume equals 10 cubic units of this object. So that's the answer. So if you don't understand this right away, you could just rewatch the video. And volume is something that you'll have to calculate probably throughout your whole life. So it is good to understand it and know it.